Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is our ninth part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word, and we'll continue our content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming video. And now we'll move on to the content. Our first word is taciturn, and it is an adjective. The meaning of this word is habitually reserved and uncommunicative. That means someone who is not talking too much about anything and not enjoying to talk with others. So move on to the synonyms that are tacit, implied, not spoken, and implicit. And move on to the antonyms: voluble, prolix, garrulous. So these are the synonyms and antonyms. Move on to the example. Danny is the taciturn child around his parent. That means that Danny won't spoke too much around his parents, that he is uncommunicative. So move on to the sentences. Before that, see the picture I share. Taciturn means keep your mouth. You will not talk about anything. So first sentence is, it is a pretty common experience for Asian parent to be on the quiet side and be reserved and be taciturn. So that means it is really a pretty common experience for the Asian parents. They are on the quiet side and reserved and also won't communicate too much. They are uncommunicative. So move on to the second sentence. Putin was taciturn and withdrawn, letting Trump do the talking. That means Putin was uncommunicative, and withdrawn means give up, leave it, and letting the Trump do the talking. So move on to the third sentence. The third sentence is the employee is lovely, a bit taciturn. I get the sense she doesn't want to broadcast that she is married to the CEO. And that means the employee is lovely and also an uncommunicative, a bit uncommunicative, and I get the sense that she doesn't want to broadcast or say that she is married to the CEO. So move on to the 5 more sentences. I give the 10-second pause for these 5 sentences, then we'll continue the next word. So now move on to the next word. Our next word is the banal, and it is an adjective. Banal means something is boring and unoriginal, that is ordinary. So synonyms are commonplace, hackneyed, platitude. So these synonyms are really important. So carefully read the synonyms. These are relevant to the GREs and helpful for you sentence equivalence question. So read the synonyms properly. So move on to the example. The sound of freedom never sounded so banal. That means the freedom will never sounded boring or unoriginal. See here a picture that I share. Abiba's name. How a t-shirt named, but it is unoriginal because the original brand is Adidas. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is, the truth is this is not a banal flu, and if you end up in the hospital, you live either alive or dead. And that means and this flu is not a common ordinary flu, and if you come to the hospital, you will live either alive or dead. So this flu is really a dangerous flu. So move on to the second sentence. The play is more banal biography than first-hand memory. That means the play is really a boring, unoriginal biography than the first-hand memory. So move on to the third sentence. Don't just ask how are you, a question that usually elicits a banal reply like I am fine. It's saying that don't ask that how are you type of question, that always give a reply of ordinary, like I'm fine. So Elicide, I already explained this word previous video, and I also recall it. Elicide means take out a response from someone. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our next word is sanction. That is verb and noun both, and the meaning of this word under the verb is official permission or approval. That means giving approval for something or some notice or anything. And under the noun, it means give authority or permission to. The both meaning almost same. So move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are authorize, endorsement, and antonyms are disapprove, reject. These are the antonyms. And move on to the example. It had the sanction of the church. That means it has approval of the church. So move on to picture. See, I share the picture. The sanction means approve. When official or government or any high authority approves something, that means sanction. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is Sudan healthcare system is in disarray after a year of war and sanction. So that means the Sudan healthcare system is in mismatch. Disarray means not properly managed, and because of the war and the official approval. So move on to the second sentence. Second sentence is they didn't specify which official should be sanctioned. That means they are not able to specify that which official will approve something. So move on to the third sentence. He said US sanctions on Iran oil export are illegal. That means the American authorities means approval on Iran oil export is illegal. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our next word is archaic. Archaic means that is adjective, and the meaning of this word is old and not used anymore, and that is specifically ancient period. That from the ancient period. That means the word which is from early generation, that is too old and not using nowadays. That means archaic, and the synonyms are antediluvian, antiquated, primitive. And guys, these all are GRE words, so careful about the synonyms. Antediluvian is also a GRE word, antiquated is also GRE word, and primitive is also a GRE word. So careful about this thing, and this all means the old and not using anymore. So move on to the example. I believe the girl's power will break the archaic norm. That means I am believing that the girl's power will break the old norms and values. So move on to the picture. See, I share the picture of old building which was built on ancient time, and see, these buildings are not using anymore nowadays. So that means the archaic. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is I think the whole concept of the gatekeeper things is just an archaic notion right now. And that means I am thinking that the whole concept of the gatekeeper things is just an old belief. Notion means belief right now. So move on to the second sentence. We are spending a lot of money maintaining an archaic, outdated system. And that means we are spending too much money on the maintenance of these old buildings which are outdated systems. So move on to the third sentence. A number of different populations of so far unknown archaic human relatives. And that means various number of different population which are still unknown are the early generation, they are human relatives, but they are early generation human relative. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So these are the 5 more sentences. So now guys, move on to the next word. So our next word is deter. Deter is a verb, and the meaning of this word is first one is try to prevent. Means you are stopping something, you are preventing something, or so the opposite of to this something. So second meaning is discourage someone from doing something. Second meaning is you are discouraging someone for doing something right. If someone doing something right and you discourage, that means also deter. That means you are preventing. So move on to the synonyms. Deterrent. Deterrent word is totally relevant to the deter, and this word is also using on GRE. So careful about this word. So move on to our discourage. Discourage everybody know. Dissuade means disagree. So you are not agreeing something, then that means dissuade. So move on to the example. He said it didn't deter him from running. He's saying that it's didn't prevent him from running or discourage him from running. See here poster. The violence is banned, means not allowed or prevent. That's so the violence is deter. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is it is unclear whether that strategy will deter the protester. That means it is not properly clear that that strategy will prevent the protester. So move on to the second sentence. The goal of mass security is to deter crime. He continued. He said that the first goal of all security is to prevent the crime. So move on to the third sentence. Third sentence is officer used a sound device that emits loud, high frequency to deter people. And that means officer using a sound device which producing a loud and high frequency wave or sound that prevent the people encouraging toward them. So move on to our 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, for this video this much only. On next video I am going to share much more words. Till then, goodbye, take care, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.